Welcome to the tutorial today. Today I'm going to share how to use the web view in Android Studio. So open up the Android Studio. This is the main activity class and we go to the XML. We go to the design. We look for the web view. Inside the widget, web view, we just drag and drop. Okay, we need to adjust the layout to full screen. Okay, go to the code, put the ID, web view. Okay, created in XML, we go to the main activity, create a private web view. Look for the file view by ID. Okay, now we have this. Then we also can put a web setting on it. We can trigger when the URL is finished loaded and any error on the loading side. So we create a web setting. We get the web view, get the setting. Okay, inside the setting have a lot of other setting. Dot set JavaScript. We need to run the JavaScript inside the web view. So we go to true. Okay, then the web view. Set web view client. New web view client. Okay, so we can right click, generate overreader. You can use all of this. So in my case, I need to use overreader URL loading. So this is will load the URL. So on page start, on page finish, and also on receive error. Okay. So it will help you generate automatically. Okay. So here we need to put in so after all this, we put in the web view load URL. URL, this one we have a try. Just put some example. So we just put example. Any web URL link also okay. Okay. Then we change this to URL. Okay. So after we get the view, we will load the URL. So this will be true. Okay, we can just run and have a look. You also can put anything beside before the on page started, on page finish. What you will do? Maybe you can put the progress bar to load thing first, and then after the page finish, so you will dismiss the loading bar. You can put from the starter and finish here. And also, if receive any error, it will come to this method. Before this, you also need to come to the manifest to add the internet in order to get the internet. So user permission internet. Okay, then we review again. So now we can see this the web view and the link URL is loaded here. This URL is loaded inside a web view. Now you also can add like a normal browser. Thank you for watching.